Hi everyone, this is Christy, and I'm going to be telling you about some of the digital tools I'll be using to help my third grade students learn about geography. We're going to be doing a social studies unit on geography and studying various communities in the United States and possibly even around the world. And the students are going to, at the end, create a digital brochure and a video presentation on their community of choice, kind of pitch it to their friends to get people excited to travel to different places in the world. So the first digital tool that I'm going to be using is going to be EdPuzzle. I am going to use EdPuzzle to create an annotated video. I am going to be selecting a YouTube video and taking that YouTube video and breaking it into pieces where I can pause and present questions to my students and require them to think about what they're learning and answer questions in a digital format. I plan on incorporating that EdPuzzle into the Google Classroom so students will be able to access the video and the questions remotely if need be. Then I'm going to be using some new smartphone apps. So I was trying to look for apps that would work for the smartphone or for an iPad because a lot of my students don't have phones yet, but they do use iPad technology. There were actually a lot of different apps for children for geography, and I'm still exploring. I haven't decided exactly which ones I'm going to use, but these are some of the choices that I'm thinking about right now. So one of them is called Kids World Maps, and with Kids World Maps, it's an interactive app that includes fascinating cultural and architectural landmarks around the world, and the students can use the app and go and explore places that they wouldn't actually have a chance to go and see. And there are funny illustrations and they're visually appealing for students. So it's a way for students to explore different communities around the world to see where they might be interested in traveling to. Another app that I am considering using is the Kids World Atlas app. This is an interactive map and game, and it allows students to discover the wonders of the world. So it gives kids a chance to explore the planet, and it also has engaging lessons that relate directly to geography, which is part of the goal of the unit, is for students to understand geography and landforms when they're creating their digital brochures. The last one that I'm talking about today, though I'm not sure if I'm going to choose it yet because I still want to do a little more exploring, is called Geoguessr. And Geoguessr is a game. It actually gives students a mission. It kind of drops them in the middle of the world somewhere and gives them a mission to figure out where in the world they are, so that the kids then have to use clues and figure out where they are. So those are the digital tools that I'm considering using for my lessons, and I'm excited to explore a little more and work with EdPuzzle and figure out how to use digital tools to enhance my instructional delivery. Thanks.